Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a professional freelance portfolio using Notion step by step. If you want to attract more freelance clients, showcase your skills, and present your work in a clean and modern way, this tutorial is for you. The best part is that we'll be using one of Notion's free portfolio templates, which makes the process fast, simple, and beginner-friendly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a polished portfolio that you can easily update, customize, and share with potential clients. Let's get started. First, open Notion on your browser or desktop application and head to your main workspace dashboard. Once you're there, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll find a drop-down menu that gives you access to additional options inside Notion. Click on it carefully. If you don't immediately see the menu, move your mouse toward the left edge of the workspace until it appears. After opening the menu, select Browse Templates. This is where Notion stores hundreds of professionally designed templates for different purposes, like note-taking, project management, resumes, portfolios, and much more. Inside the template gallery, use the search bar and type Freelance Portfolio. Notion will show you several portfolio templates with different styles and layouts. Some are more visual and creative, while others are minimal and professional. Take a few moments to preview the templates and choose one that fits your personal brand and the type of freelance work you do. For example, designers and photographers may prefer templates with image galleries and bold visuals, while writers or developers might choose cleaner layouts that focus more on text and project details. Once you find the template you like, click on it and press the Add button. The template will instantly be added to your workspace, already organized with sections such as your bio, skills, projects, testimonials, and contact information. This is one of the biggest advantages of using Notion. The layout and formatting are already professionally designed, so you don't need to build everything from scratch. Instead, you can focus on showcasing your experience and skills. Now it's time to personalize your portfolio. Start by updating your basic information. Replace the placeholder text with your name, professional title, short bio, and contact details. You can also add links to your social media accounts, LinkedIn profile, resume, or personal website. Next, move on to your projects section. This is where you should highlight your best work. Add project descriptions, images, portfolio links, articles, videos, design samples, code repositories, or anything that demonstrates your expertise. Remember, your portfolio is your opportunity to prove your skills visually and professionally. You can also customize the design of the page, change icons, adjust colors, rearrange sections, and add your own branding to make the portfolio feel unique and personal. If you specialize in a certain niche like graphic design, video editing, web development, or illustration, make sure your portfolio reflects that clearly. Don't worry if your portfolio isn't perfect at first. One great thing about Notion is that it's easy to edit and improve over time as your freelance career grows and you complete more projects. And that's it. You've successfully created a professional freelance portfolio using Notion that's modern, customizable, and ready to share with clients. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this tutorial with anyone starting their freelance journey. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments. And thanks for watching. Good luck building your freelance career and landing more clients.